Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. Today, I will report about the parable of the mustard seed, found in Matthew 13, verse 31 to 32, Mark 4, verse 30 to 32, and Luke 13, verse 18 to 19. Jesus said, "The kingdom of God is like a mustard seed, which is the smallest of all seed. Yet, when it is planted and grows, it becomes the largest of garden plants, even a tree where birds come and find shelter." Kung atong tan-awon, the mustard seed is very small, gamay kaayo, murag walay pulos kung tan-awon sa una. Pero when it is planted, it grows into something big and strong. This teaches us an important lesson about God's kingdom. First, the mustard seed represent small beginnings. Sama sa pag-alagad sa Ginoo, sometimes we start small simple prayers, little acts of kindness or faith that seems weak, pero kung atong padayunon, God can make it grow. Second, it shows the power of growth in faith. Our faith may begin small, pero kung atong in-nurture through prayer, reading the Bible, and good works, it will grow stronger and bigger, sama sa mustard tree nga mahimong dapit nga kapuy-anan sa mga langgam. Our faith can also become a blessing to others. Third, it gives us hope and encouragement. Bisan unsa pa kagamay ang imong pagtuo, dili kini sayo. As long as you trust God, He can use even the smallest seed of faith to do great things. The parable of mustard seed reminds us that God values even the smallest beginnings. Our little faith, kung atong ampingan, will grow and bring blessings to many. This is the message of mustard seed. Daghang salamat.